Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you a simple DIY Nerf project. If you notice this Nerf blaster here, it doesn't have iron sights, so it will be difficult for me to aim accurately at the target. However, I could mount a scope here or laser to aid in aiming. For the 3D printed blaster over there, there's no room to mount a scope or laser, so we need to make our own pair of iron sights. The good news is you could make your own iron sights for your Nerf blaster at $0. Over here we have some cables with HDMI ends, and you notice the brand new cables usually come with this plastic tabs, and there's a pair of them. Instead of throwing away these plastic tabs, you could use them to make your own iron sights for your Nerf blaster. And all we need to do is to cut the rear iron sight out of this piece here and cut out a front sight tip out of the other one. And then you need marker like this one. This is a paint marker to color it so that it's visible. Let me show you the end result. It looks something like this one here. Here's the rear iron sight, and this is the front sight tip. Although it's DIY, it works very well, and now the blaster is super accurate. Let me show you how it works. And there you have it, your very own pair of iron sights that work really well. Here's a close-up of the rear iron sight, and here's a close-up of the front sight tip. This plastic is pretty durable, and if you're afraid of knocking it off, you could further strengthen it by adding a screw like I've done here. Super durable and works well. That's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next one.